Are you looking for a natural way to boost your health? What if I told you that there's a juice that can help you manage diabetes, improve your skin, and aid in weight loss? Stay tuned because today, we're diving into the 3 essential benefits of bitter gourd juice that you need to know. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, might not be the tastiest vegetable, but its health benefits are undeniable. First up, did you know that bitter gourd juice can help manage diabetes? Studies have shown that it contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping to lower blood sugar levels. Imagine controlling your blood sugar naturally just by adding this juice to your diet. But that's not all. Bitter gourd juice is also fantastic for your skin. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C, it helps fight acne, reduces skin aging, and promotes a healthy glow. Who doesn't want clearer, younger-looking skin? And if you're trying to shed some pounds, bitter gourd juice can aid in weight loss by boosting your metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. Think about feeling more confident and energetic every day. Ready to give bitter gourd juice a try? Start by incorporating it into your daily routine and see the difference it can make. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and share your experience with us in the comments below. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to find out more about the best ways to enjoy bitter gourd juice. Let's embark on this journey to better health together.